The mountain is not safe. The storm wasn't supposed to come this early. 1 minute the mountain was silent. The next, it was swallowing everything in white. Wind howled through the peaks like something alive, cold, sharp, unnatural. You try to follow your own footsteps, but they're already gone, buried, erased, like you were never here. Something feels wrong. Not the storm, not the cold, something else watching. You stop, and for a moment, the wind dies. Silence. Too perfect, too sudden. That's when you see it. Far ahead, just beyond the fog, a shape, tall, still, not moving, but not human. You blink, it's gone. Your breath quickens. You turn, nothing behind you, just endless white. But now, you can feel it, closer. Every step you take feels like something is matching it, slowly, patiently. You start walking faster, then faster. The snow crunches beneath your boots, loud, too loud. And then you hear something else, not footsteps, dragging.